Park Industries Web Video, Testing and Adjusting Polishers. This video is a continuation of Testing and Adjusting Tools, Video 3. The prerequisites are you must have a working knowledge of the Titan, the tools must be measured and in proper rack positions, the values are entered into the tool library, all the metal tools must be set up. The material must be held down with the same profile metal tools ran on the edge. Complete tool setup video part 3 before attempting to fit and adjust polishers. In the previous videos, we learned how to create a program and how to make a space that will work as a machine pause. This will allow us to run the program and the machine will pause after the fourth metal or process number 6. The material must have all of the metal profile tools ran completely across the edge and the material in the same physical location before attempting to fit the polishers to it. Now we can start with the first polisher, which will be process number 8. Go to your run screen, select the first polisher, and cycle start to run it. Watch the tool and stop it well before it comes into contact with the material. Now go to the tool library screen and press the manual air purge button a few times to purge the water from the spindle. Use an air nozzle to dry off the tool and also the edge of the stone. Next, go to the polisher's edit page. Zero out the current position by pressing the 0 button in the top right corner. Now you can use the pendant to fit the polisher into the material. Start by moving the polisher away from the material, then move it back past the front edge. Now slow and carefully move the tool up or down and towards the material. Carefully move the X and Z axis until the tool gets very close. Then in small increments and very carefully, slightly touch the tool to the material. Carefully fit the tool to the profile while rotating it by hand to check for too much tension. A good tension is when you're able to hand spin the tool one full rotation. Note the values in the tool edit screen. A positive or negative value shows the direction you move the tool in each axis. The X negative shows that we've moved the tool away, and the spindle Z shows that we've lowered the tool. We'll use the away button to put in the X value. Only enter the value and never a negative sign. Now we'll press the lower button to enter the spindle Z. The values we entered will be added or subtracted to the fine adjust area. We will now save and close our edits. Back in the process screen, you might notice some areas in red. We'll need to update the properties of our tool in the program. We'll do that by choosing the tool in our program and then picking it from our tool list. We can see our XY fine adjust values are displayed in our program. Don't forget to save out the tool. Now we're ready to test the adjustments that we made to the tool. We'll go back to the run screen, enter the proper process, and cycle start. Stop the machine before the polisher touches the material. Using the pendant, only move the Y-axis very carefully and ensure that the tool does not get damaged or too much pressure when it contacts the material. Once the tool is past the corner, again spin it to check for that one full revolution so the tension is the same as when you originally fit it. Save the machine out. If the pressure and fit was the same, then we can run it. If not, refit and edit the tool parameters again. Let the first polisher run 3/4 of the way across the edge of the material so you can see the difference between the metal finish and the polisher finish. Second polisher halfways, and third polisher 1/4 of the way. Fit and set up each of the rest of the polishers the same way as you did the first.